Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable light theme on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. As you can see, currently dark theme is enabled on our device. To switch to light theme, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, tap on General Settings. Tap on Appearance. You can find three options. Select Light Theme from the available options. As you can see, the changes has been applied. This is how you can enable light theme on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.